Imagine stepping into darkness and watching the world unfold. Sharp, clear, alive. This is where a new standard in night vision is set. Meet the AKASO Sight 300, a groundbreaking night vision monocular that delivers full-color, tactical-grade clarity without the weight. At its core, a next-generation processor capable of 4 trillion operations per second, delivering 50% more processing power than before. With AI image signal processing, it reduces noise, restores detail, and minimizes motion blur, brightening dark areas with vivid 99% true-to-life color, 200% richer low-light color, 50% stronger noise reduction, all for sharper, lifelike images, even in near-total darkness. Its large 1/1.79-inch sensor, paired with an ultra-wide f1.0 aperture, captures more light, delivering unmatched clarity and brightness in low light. Capture your moments in stunning resolution. 4K video at 30 frames per second. Every frame sharp, every detail preserved. With a wide 60-degree field of view, you catch more of your surroundings with less movement. With over 4 hours of runtime and a rechargeable, replaceable battery, the Sight 300 keeps going as long as you do. Weighing just 260 grams, it's ultralight, portable, and ready for hands-free use mounted to your helmet. With an IP65 rating, it's built to perform in rain and dust, keeping up with your wildest adventures. AKASO Sight 300. In the depths of night, you're the one who sees,